Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Explore Life with Sutapa. This is Sutapa and this is Abhishek, and we are out today again, and this time we are going to Diara Grassland to shoot the Pied Harrier. Both the male and female sighting is going on. It's 29th December and it's around 12 p.m. so we are out, and the sighting is mainly happening in the afternoon hours. So let's see if we can get a good shot of the male and female Pied Harrier. It has been a wish for a long time, so stay with me and let's see. On 29 December 2024, Explore Life with Sutapa team went to Diara Grassland in the hope of shooting the sensation of the season, the Pied Harrier. We started at 11 p.m. as the main sightings were happening in the time between 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. However, there was no guarantee, as for the past 2-3 days the male and Pied female harrier were nowhere to be seen. We went to Diara Grassland by car. I am sharing the Google location for your convenience. Also, if you are coming by train, then you can take a train from Howrah and get down at Diara station. And after getting down at Diara station, you can either book a auto toto or else you can walk towards the Shorafuli station to reach the Diara Grassland. By car, we took the Delhi road to reach Diara. There is one toll, Rajchandrapur toll, which cost around 65 rupees, but you can also bypass this toll if you want. There is a diversion after the toll where you have to stick to right to go to Diara Grassland. On this national highway, there was only one place where there was a diversion and there was a lot of traffic and we got delayed. Other than this, the entire stretch was smooth. From the Delhi road, there is one left turn that has to be taken to go to Diara. This road is narrow but is motorable. After driving for some time, there will be a place on the right where there is a small house, and near it there is some ground where you can park your car. So we unpacked our camera and went inside. We went ahead on the concrete path, but somewhere we had to get on the grasslands. It was December and the farmlands were being plowed for winter crops and mustard. We went into the farmlands. One thing to notice is that these farmlands are infested with snakes, poisonous snakes. So be very careful when you are walking on it and try to follow the path, the small trail that are there. Also make sure that you don't step on any of the crops that are planted by the farmers because it is their livelihood. While walking on this path, I could notice a lot of wagtails. As the farmland were being plowed, they had come for feeding, and I noticed a particular wagtail. It was a eastern yellow wagtail. Eastern yellow wagtails are attractive ground-dwelling birds. They are slender and long-tailed with bright yellow below with pale throat and grayish olive back. They are often seen wagging their tail. They breed on Arctic tundra from Alaska to Russia and winters in Southeast Asia during migration. After shooting the wagtails, we went ahead. There were already a few birders waiting for the glimpse of the Pied Harrier. There was something hovering over the sky, and we went towards that. We tried to see what it was, and then we figured out. It was the Eastern Marsh Harrier juvenile. While the males of Eastern Marsh Harrier are predominantly pale grey with a dark spectacle head, females are brown and streaky, juveniles are brown with paler heads and breast. But there was no sign of the Pied Harrier, neither male nor female. But while waiting for the Pied Harriers, we came across a few birds. We noticed a brown shrike basking in the sun. While in the field, it is always enjoyable to have a chat with the fellow birders, and this time I met Dipankurda and Sayan, who has also come to shoot the Pied Harrier. While waiting in that area, there was a particular farmland which was still filled with water, and there I spotted some movement. Lying low as much as possible, I went close to the water area. On closer look, I found that it was a pair of little ring plover. Little ring plovers are small plovers with bright yellow eye rings. They breed around lakes, rivers, a wide variety of fresh and brackish wetland habitats, but they are rarely out on open tidal areas. It was beautifully busy preening while the other one was foraging. And I'm sorry for the shaky video because it was handheld. I didn't get time to take my tripod to that area. And before I could take my tripod to that area, both of them flew away. However, I managed some decent shot of one of them. While I was ready to come back on the same trail, back to the area where we could spot the Pied Harrier, but there was suddenly some movement in the water. I tried to have a closer look at it, and it was inside the foliage. It was a wood sandpiper. Wood sandpipers are medium-sized brownish wader with a white belly, varied pale spotting on back. Legs are greenish yellow. They can be found walking in shallow water, picking food with their bill. They are mainly found single or in very small flocks. This one which I found was busy preening, but it didn't come out of the foliage. Then I returned to the area where everyone was waiting for the sight of the Pied Harrier. After reaching there, we spotted something in the bushes. It was a blue throat. Blue throat are beautiful bird with a colorful throat. They can be found in scrubby, bushy habitat. They breeds along Europe and Asia into Alaska, winters from North Africa to Southeast Asia. Again, it was a long wait, and in the meanwhile, it was really enjoyable to meet and talk to everyone in the field. Then we spotted something with beautiful colors. It was a Siberian stone cat. We continued waiting for the Pied Harrier. Everyone was eagerly waiting for a glimpse of the Pied Harrier. Time passed by. And finally, at around 2:30 p.m., something was hovering over the sky and all the birds got restless. Was it the Pied Harrier? Everyone there was anxious and they started shooting the raptor. And after a closer look, it turned out to be a female Pied Harrier, and I managed some decent shots of that. Though not spectacular like the male, the female was also gorgeous with grey and brown above and lighter below. It was around 3 p.m. and it was time for us to leave for home. While leaving for home, we enjoyed looking at the farmers doing their daily work. The male Pied Harrier has again eluded me, and the desire to get good shots of the male Pied Harrier still remains a wish. Let's see when the wish gets fulfilled. So if you have liked this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And also don't forget to click on the notification bell. So every time I upload a video, you will be notified. So till the next video, next series, you all stay healthy, stay happy, and bye for now.